Respected Principal, dear teachers, and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. We often dream of big success, high grades, awards, respect, and a bright future. But the truth is, big achievements don't happen overnight. They are built slowly, brick by brick, through small daily habits. Waking up on time, completing homework every day, listening carefully in class, being kind to others. These may seem small, but over time they create a strong foundation for success. Dear students, think of a drop of water falling on a stone. One drop does nothing, but thousands of drops, day after day, can even make a hole in that stone. That's the power of consistency. Dear students, this year let's build good habits. Read at least 10 minutes every day. Revise lessons before sleeping. Speak politely to everyone. Keep our surroundings clean. Dear students, remember, success is not about doing one big thing once. It's about doing the right small things every day. छोटे काम मगर रोज़ करें, आदत का जादू चल जाए, मेहनत की राहें अपनाएं, खुशियों का मौसम मिल जाए, कतरा कतरा दरिया बनता, हर दिन का लम्हा कीमती है, अच्छी आदत ज़िंदगी का सबसे कीमती मोती है. थैंक्स.